In today's video we will see how to fix the Brother DCP-T310 unable to print error 30. Clear error and restart print queue. The fix 1, check for paper jam and foreign object. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cord. Then open the scanner or cover. Now carefully inspect the left side, right side and center of the printer. Then remove any torn paper, paper clip or other objects you find. Now open the rear jam clear cover and check for stuck paper inside. Fix 2. Inspect the print head carrier. With the scanner cover open, you can gently check whether the print head can move freely. Then look for paper scrap or obstructions beneath the carriage. Then remove anything blocking the movement and do not force the carriage if it feels stuck. Now the fix 3, perform a power reset. So turn off the printer, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Now wait 2 to 3 minutes and plug the printer back in and turn it on. Then try printing a test page. Fix 4, check the encoder strip. Open the scanner cover, check whether the strip is directly disconnected or out of position. If visible dirt is present, gently clean it and with a soft or lint-free cloth and avoid pulling the strip. Now the fix 5, verify the ink cartridge area. So improper saturated cartridge or carrier component may prevent normal operations. Open the ink cartridge cover, ensure all ink tanks and covers are properly seated and closed, then restart the printer after checking. The fix 6, the final fix, contact brother support. If the error remains after removing jams and checking the cartridge, the printer may have mechanical fault that requires service. Note that exact error message display. Locate your nearest authorized service center through the official brother support website. If the printer is under warranty, arrange a repair through the brother support. So goodbye and thanks for watching.